This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with verification because that unlocks every report and tool. Sign into Search Console and add your property, pick domain for full coverage or URL prefix for a single protocol. Once done, follow the verification instructions. Upload the HTML file, add the meta tag, or paste the DNS-TXT record. Make sure to keep a record of the verification method for later. After confirmation, allow a few minutes for data to initialize before you move on to site inspection, and you'll now inspect and prepare pages so Google can crawl them reliably. Enter a URL in the inspection tool to view crawl, index, and mobile usability details, if blocked, fix robots or canonical problems. Resolve server or 4xx errors before requesting indexing. Next, generate or update sitemap. XML and submit it in the sitemaps section. This tells Google your site structure and priority pages. Finally, request indexing for newly fixed or high-value pages, and monitor the coverage report. You finish by setting a monitoring rhythm. Review performance to spot queries, pages, and trends so you can optimize titles and content. Use coverage and enhancements to catch new errors, AMP or schema warnings, and mobile problems. When you fix an issue, resubmit the URL for indexing and watch the crawl date change. That confirms Google saw your update. If problems persist, check server logs and fetches Google to reproduce the issue. Then iterate until the coverage report shows green.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.